What do we mean when we say society?
What does society mean to you?
Can it mean more than one thing? And should it be discussed as a plural instead of a singular subject?
Can society or societies be physical things or locations that can be pointed to on a map?
Do we define it on a global, national or local level? Does society contain a multitude of societies within it?
If so, how are boundaries drawn to make distinctions between different groups?
Can these distinctions help to form an identity and build bonds between groups?
Or are they used to form oppositions and create division?
One British Prime Minister famously said that there is no such thing as society, only individuals and their families.
They believe that we have a duty to look after ourselves first and then to look after our neighbours.
What do we gain from being a member of society?
Do we have to make a contribution to it in return?
If so, is this an obligation or a choice?
What does making a contribution look like?
Does it have to be the production of a tangible object or action that we can see?
Can everyday acts that we perform unconsciously be considered a contribution to society?
Do all contributions have a positive effect? Is it possible for a well-intended action to have a negative outcome?
Can actively choosing not to do something be considered as a positive contribution?
Can an activity that happens on a local level be as important as something that takes place on a national or global scale?
How is the value of a contribution judged by society?